subscriber, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another great video. Guys, in today's video for my breakfast I want to do some green banana and some chicken liver for my breakfast. But yesterday when I was coming home from America, I never get to pick up the green banana because of the rain. So I go try run go down on the street, try get the green banana and come back and try to do the video before the rain start, because the rain ease up. Guys, so I go on the road now to go get the green banana and come back. But I wait for the taxi to come pick me up. So I'm just show you a little bit, make you guys see what's going on, because we're not taking no chance with this corona. So I wanted to bring the tripod stand with me to do the recording, but because of the rain, so I'm not going to carry my tripod stand go out there right now, because of the phone I use, so I don't have no camera yet. So whenever time the rain cut or I have a camera, then I will basically start showing up, because I have a lot of viewers on my channel who is not Jamaican, show them the market and stuff like that. But for right now, I'm not going to get to carry the phone and the tripod stand because of the rain. Guys, just come back from the market, so it's a little bit windy outside, but we're still gonna do the video outside. I'm glad that the rain has started falling yet, so I try to hurry up and do the video outside. But we are catch up the fire here now. I'm showing the fire I catch up. I'm showing everything what I do with the chicken liver, the banana, and I'm going to steam some vegetable. So that is what I'm gonna look about today for the channel. So I have my chicken liver wash off with some vinegar, and it is very important that you wash off your meat with some vinegar or lime juice. And I'm gonna use some onion, that's one onion, one green pepper, some pimento seed, some scallion, some garlic powder, some all-purpose season, and I'm gonna use just a little bit of meat season. So for seasoning, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season, just a pinch of meat season, and I'm gonna use some garlic powder, and some browning. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of browning just to give it a little bit of color. So we're not adding too much browning. And I'm gonna use 1 onion, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 green pepper, some pimento seed. So I'm adding in the season. And then I'm gonna use a spoon and rub in the season with the spoon. Cooking now, I'm going to light up the stove for the liver. So 1 for the banana, 1 for the liver. I'm going to go for the cooking oil. So I'm going to add some cooking oil, just enough to grease the pot. Add some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to add the liver. liver in now. I'm just burning my garlic for about 1 minute. Just sauteing them for about 1 minute or 2 minutes also. So the chicken liver I've been cooking for 5 minutes, so I'm just checking on it. And basically turn on the stove on low for the liver to just take its time and cook. I'm going to add just this small bit of water, like half cup of water, into the liver. And make it take its time and cook, because the chicken liver is not something that really take long to cook. The chicken liver can take like 10 minutes and everything is done cooked. I'm giving it 5 more minutes and then add the carrot, the Irish potato, the bell pepper. So I'm just gonna basically re-season back the chicken liver. So we're checking on the pot. So I am going to add some tomato, bell pepper, carrot, onion. So I am going to add 1 tomato, 1 small bell pepper, 1 small carrot, 1 small Irish potato, and 1 onion into the liver. So I am adding in my vegetables. So I am going to give my liver 5 more minutes for the vegetable to cook. So this is how I cook my chicken liver. So I am going to add some fish and meat sauce in the chicken liver as well, guys. And I'm going to add some ketchup, like 1 serving spoon of ketchup. My vegetables. So I am going to give my liver 5 more minutes for the vegetable to cook. So this is how I cook my chicken liver. So I am going to add some fish and meat sauce in the chicken liver as well, guys. And I'm going to add some ketchup, like 1 serving spoon of ketchup. Some tomato ketchup, just this little bit of tomato ketchup into the meat. And I am going to add some fish and meat sauce. So I am adding some more flavor to to the liver. So just 1 teaspoon of fish and meat sauce. Just giving the liver 2 more minutes now, and then everything ready. Overall, the chicken liver will take like 10 minutes to prepare. So this is the chicken liver, guys. Go and simmer down, you know. Finish up. I'm gonna add some salt, like 1 teaspoon of salt in the pot for the banana. Before I add the banana in the boiling water, I have my banana into some water, and the water contains cooking oil as well, because the cooking oil will help with the banana not to stain up my hand and the banana don't change the color. So I'm gonna add in the banana now, and these banana, they are pretty soft, so 5 minutes and they are cooked. So now say I want next great breakfast vlog this again. I'm gonna cover up the pot now, just gonna half cover it. We're gonna turn on the stove to medium. Wipe off my hand. So we are check on the banana and the liver done cook. So now say breakfast coming along real good. And over this pot we have the cabbage I just cut up. So I go add some butter in it and some tomato, some thyme, and just steam the cabbage to serve with my breakfast. So I go steam the cabbage. So I am going to use 1/4 stick of butter, just some scallion, some tomato, and just a little bit of thyme. So I am checking on the cabbage, steaming it for 2 to 3 minutes. Look like it's ready now. So the liver done, and the banana. So we're going to turn off the stove now. Breakfast done. This is my morning vlog, guys, which is my boiled banana and my steamed cabbage and chicken liver. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up.